Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I had an idea last night I wanted to share with you guys. In my 1995 Dodge Dakota Sport is a 3-point line. What's wrong with that tongue? 3.9 liter V6 Magnum. And somewhere I'd like to find another 3.9 liter V6 Magnum to, I don't care if it's locked up, I don't care if it's not running. I want to get it and try to build it, try to get a little bit more power out of it. Not excessive power, just enough to take to a car show and have it run and idle. And hey Simba, let people know what to think of it. Maybe turbocharge it, maybe put a pro charger on it. Don't know yet. But I don't plan on doing anything to the motor that's in that truck now. Because the man I bought it from asked me not to do anything to it because he bought it brand new in 1995. He loved that truck. I'm also thinking about maybe trying to find another 3.7 liter inline 6 225. I don't know if I can find those. They're hard engines to find. Like I said, engines anymore, they're hard to find. You got to pull them out of cars that are sitting out of fields, and there's not a lot of classics hanging around anymore. People are actually, when you try to find a good classic, people want to destroy them. They want to crush them. I can tell you a story about one guy that had it was at a junkyard. It was at a pick parts. I believe it was a night. I'm not sure what year it was, but it was a Bonneville. Wasn't a thing wrong with it. There was not one mark on the paint. Nothing wrong with it at all. The guy wouldn't sell it. Later on, I found out he crushed it. The owner of the pick parts crushed it. And I have to say, he's an idiot for doing that. There wasn't a mark on it. But anyway, give me your ideas of what you want me to do to the next 3.9 liter V6 Magnum. Another thing I want to thank people for is all the comments, all the support you've been giving me, all the likes, share, and subscribes. I've got over 63 or 64 subscribers now. Thank you for your support. You've really been helpful. And also, I want to voice another opinion. These people that are coming onto my channel when they are being premiered, quit posting pornographic comments in my comment section. That will get my channel banned. Do not do that. I'm getting sick of that shit. And pardon my cussing. Do not post about XXX sites. Do not do that. I'm trying to get this channel monetized. I'm trying to get it family friendly. Do not do that. And another thing I want to voice my opinion on. I want to see the younger generation. I'm 30 years old. I'm still young. But I want to see kids getting interested in classic cars, automotive restoration, racing. I'm seeing kids on GTA 5, these most explicit games like GTA 5, there's prostitution, drugs, alcohol, strippers. They're going into these games. Their parents are letting them get these games that are M-rated, and they shouldn't be doing that. It's corrupting their minds. Let them get to where they're interested in cars. Let them get interested in stuff like this. Nothing that has to do with violence. That truck right there. I bought that truck. I've restored it. I still got a few things to it. I bought that car. I'm still restoring it. They need to get interested in that kind of stuff. Not games that are you getting shot and you're getting torn all to pieces in these zombie games. They do not need to see that. No wonder kids now these days have got bad attitudes. They're drinking. They're using drugs. They're being disrespectful to their parents, their families. They are getting bad influence from those games. Get them out there. Get them working on classic cars. But anyway, guys, if you can, please like, share, and subscribe on this video. It really helps me out a lot. Again, I want to thank you for all the support you've given me. And I'll see you on the next one.